Meaning of enroll.
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 Enroll. Enroll means to officially register or sign up for a course, program, or activity. The result of enrolling is that the individual becomes a member of the group or institution offering the course or program and gains access to the benefits and resources provided by that group or institution. This could include gaining knowledge and skills, networking opportunities, and potentially a certification or degree upon completion. Enrolling is often a necessary step in pursuing educational or professional goals.